Hello, our art friends. Today in Kirikanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Pikachu. So let's start drawing. We are going to start with the left long ear. Then decorate it with a curved line near the top. Make a curved line for the top of the head. Then draw another ear, slightly tilted to the right, and decorate it similarly. Draw a curved line coming down from each ear to make the face outline. Then draw a small curved line at the bottom for the chin. Inside the face, draw the eyes by drawing two circles. Color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the middle, draw a tiny triangle for the nose. Under the nose, make a curved line for the mouth. Then finish the mouth with a U shape and draw the tongue inside. Draw a wavy line coming down from the right side of the face, going all the way down to make the body. For the left arm, draw a curved line under the left side of the face, another curved line under it, then finish the arm by drawing 5 tiny fingers for the hand. Decorate the hand with a couple of lines. Extend the line from the arm going down to complete the body. Draw a tiny foot on each side. Then draw a curved line connecting the feet. On the right side of the body under the face, draw 2 curved lines for the right arm. Then finish the arm with tiny fingers as well. To make the tail, draw a tiny letter V facing the right side of the body at the level of the arm. Then draw another bigger letter V connecting the body and the face. Draw a bigger letter V next to each one. Then extend the line going to the right. Draw a line coming out from the right side of the face, also going to the right. Then connect them together. Amazing! Now you can draw Pikachu! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.